Hello, it is Kenny and Sam, and today we are at a lava dome. This shows you the tectonic plates hitting. They have these two volcanoes made here. This one tells you fairy tales, and then this one is for rock climbing. They're for kids, but I want to hear a fairy tale. Pretty cool. This can show your volcanic eruption. You jump. Seismic waves. That's pathetic.
There you go. There you go.
We're gonna make a big wave. All right, 1, 2, 3. We did pretty good. We are currently waiting to get our tour of the lava cellar. We are starting our cellar tour, so we're heading down to the area right now. It's only offered in German, so we're gonna be a little lost on most parts. Look how deep that is. That is so nuts.
A 250-meter descent.
You feel cool, all suited up. We're about to walk down into the cavern. Vielen Dank. This is pretty cool. Look how long that is.
250 meters down.
I feel like I'm in that shark movie. This is so cool. This is amazing. There's a little curve right here. So cool. They filmed the movie Vulcan here, and I really wanted to show Kenny because he's a movie buff. We're moving into the next room. Wow, this is so cool.
This is nuts.
It's very wet though. Like, I'm glad we put the jackets on.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You need to bring hiking shoes here, guys. Kenny and Sam signing out.